Okay, so first of all, good evening. I am Axel Angelo Pitpit and I'll teach you how to install VirtualBox in Ubuntu. Okay, so first of all, go to Google and type www.virtualbox.com, and as you can see, as usual, just click the download button and pick the Windows hosts, and just wait for the download to finish. So as you can see, if you already installed and downloaded and installed the VirtualBox, go to Google again and go to www.ubuntu.com, and just like the process last time, just wait for it to load and click the accept cookies and click the get Ubuntu and click the download Ubuntu for desktop, and this will be the latest Ubuntu version, and click the download button, and again just wait for it to download and it is ready for installation. So if you already downloaded both the Ubuntu and the VirtualBox, just double click the VirtualBox and type your folder name. So I already imported the folder name Axel, and go to the section type and just pick the Ubuntu and go to the hardware, and the processor you can adjust it, but I recommend it within the green line. So that's it, done. Next, so we're already done with that, so let's go to storage and click the empty the disk icon, click it and go to choose a file. So just click the Ubuntu file that you downloaded a while back, just click open, then click OK, and next, the arrow button in the upper corner of your screen. So that already booted up VirtualBox, you see 222. So just click the second line. Can't read it well, so sorry. So here we'll just choose the language and accessibility, the keyboard input, the connect to the network. Just click next. That's my and that's it. Just create your account and you're all set. Okay. This would be the last part of the video, and it is already successfully installed and set up in your desktop. So here it is already boot up and it is completed, and we're just waiting for it to load, and here you can now log in the account that you created in the setuping page, and there it is. You can now enjoy your Ubuntu in your desktop now. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and God bless you.